Garlic is a common food found being used in many foods throughout the world and has been around for hundreds of years. It has long been known for men's health benefits also. So many of you must be wondering how it can be used for men's health improvement. Here are 5 most effective benefits of garlic for men. Number 1. Garlic contains all the vitamins, minerals and nutrients that our bodies need to remain healthy and fit. These elements are great for fighting diseases like cardiovascular diseases and diabetes. Garlic also contains anti-inflammatory chemicals called antibacterial properties that help lessen the effects of harmful bacteria that is commonly found in our body. These bacteria may cause various health problems like pimples, acne, and bad breath. With regular use of garlic for men, these bacteria will be inhibited and will thus lessen the risk of infection in the body. Number 2. Garlic helps improve the functioning of the immune system. When your immune system is strong, it can fight off diseases better and will not have to experience side effects. Number 3. It has great antioxidant properties that can help reduce the symptoms of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. These symptoms of aging are mostly caused by exposure to the sun. Number 4. Garlic contains L-DOPA, a type of natural compound that helps in slowing down the rate at which the cells age. It has proven to be useful in treating arthritis, Alzheimer's disease, high cholesterol, and diabetes. Number 5. Garlic contains very powerful antimicrobial properties that can help keep the level of acid in the blood lower. It also helps reduce inflammation, which can help prevent heart attacks, strokes, and heart diseases. Garlic is known to be an effective and safe remedy in treating erectile dysfunction and other sexual disorders. These health problems are mainly caused by too much stress and are treated by taking regular garlic supplements. Garlic is said to increase the flow of blood in the penis. This is because it contains pro-inflammatory substances known as allicin, which can inhibit platelet clumping. It also has phytochemicals known as procyanidins that can reduce blood clotting. Garlic also helps relieve pain and inflammation in the joints by killing bacteria and reducing swelling. It is often used in a mixture with warm water to treat arthritis-related pains and soreness. It is also an effective remedy for treating cough, bronchitis, and tuberculosis. You just rub it on the bronchitis when you feel a cough coming on or when you are experiencing a cough. It also has anti-aging properties because it is good for reducing wrinkles and dark pigments that are found on the skin. It also acts as a laxative for people suffering from diarrhea. The best way to take it is when you want to relieve constipation. Because of its healing effects on the liver and kidneys, it can be used for lowering blood sugar levels. Some experts suggest that regular consumption of garlic helps boost immune system and ward off cancer and helps in the treatment of colds and flu. It is also used for preventing tooth decay because of its ability to kill bacteria and remove plaque from the teeth. Its taste also helps make chewing gum less painful and makes the process of brushing easier. In addition, it can help lower the blood pressure. So, if you're having a hard time controlling your blood pressure, this is a good remedy to try. Studies have also shown that people who have high blood pressure benefit from taking garlic regularly. Garlic can also help prevent certain types of cancer. One such study found that taking daily doses of garlic can lower the risk of breast and colon cancers. There are a lot of different foods to choose from when you are trying to increase your intake of natural foods. However, there are 5 most effective benefits of garlic that will make you reach your weight loss goals.